is going on, guys? Riley and Julia here.
Hi, guys.
So today we have a bit of an announcement to make. Should make for an interesting video. Also, after said announcement, we'll probably be getting Julia's opinion and feedback here on the Hellcat, whether she likes it, she hates it. We all know what she thought about the Scat Pack.
I think my favorite part is the seats.
And we all know what she thought about the Camaro.
Honestly, I feel kind of claustrophobic in the front seat.
Now, before we get much farther in this video, I would like to say that it has been ridiculously cold here in Houston, Texas the last 3 or so days. It's been like in the mid to low 20s at night, which is like really cold, and like 35 in the day. So I don't know how you northerners do this stuff like a full winter. That's too cold for me. So I haven't really been able to film a video outside because it's been so cold, and driving a 700 horsepower car on summer tires when it's below 40 is just like, I don't know, the rear tires basically become hockey pucks, so it's not good. But today it's 46, so
we're getting somewhere.
That's promising. And also the next 3 days I have three fun videos planned, so you guys will have some good content here coming up very soon. But today's video is not about any of that. Today's video is actually something we've already talked about in a video, but not many people watched it or got to that part in the video since it was towards the end. But Jules, do you want to do the honors?
Well, you see, when two people love each other very much, one thing leads to another, and they get engaged.
That was so corny. Hooray!
Woo!
We're engaged!
Yay!
Yay! So, we'll pull over here, we'll get some gas, and then I guess we'll kind of talk about what's going on. Typical Hellcat problems. I have to stop filming in the middle of a video to fill up with gas.
Really?
Really? Alright, so back on topic now, after we got everything all situated. So, we're engaged now. Yay! I proposed to Julia on December 22nd. Which was like a few days before Christmas, and that made our Christmas time super special. And yeah, so we have 3 more semesters of college left, and as soon as we graduate, we'll be getting married and doing the married thing, I guess. Hip hip hooray for adulting. But if you guys have been around the channel for a while, you'll know that Julia and I we started dating in 2011, so she's been around for a while. So now I'm sure you're probably asking yourself, well, romantic Riley, how did you propose to this beautiful girl?
Romantic Riley.
Do you like that?
Riley took me to the spot where we had our first date. It's like a fancy little pizza place. We ate dinner there, and then afterwards we walked down to this little scenic area kind of next to the restaurant, and there was a waterfall and a big Christmas tree. And our friend Armani, HTX Scat, just happened to be down there, and he was taking pictures for his portfolio.
You got an umbrella, you came prepared.
What are you doing?
Taking some pictures, Christmas
down
stuff.
Here?
Yeah.
Just happened to be the same spot as we were. And so Riley was like, hey Armani, do you need some models? And he was like, sure. So we went and stood by the Christmas tree and was taking pictures.
That's good. Hold on, one more.
And then Riley got down on one knee and proposed.
Honestly, it was pretty great.
It was really great.
And shout out to Armani, HTX Scat. You came in clutch there, buddy.
I love you guys.
Thanks, Armani. He got some pretty good pictures too.
He did, but it was very believable. He went along with the whole thing. He was like,
I had no idea.
I'm just down here taking pictures. It was like a Thursday night.
And
it was like
raining.
It was raining. And she was like, oh yeah, that makes total sense that he'd be out here in the rain taking pictures of plants.
For his portfolio on his website.
Meanwhile, we're at dinner, and I had to go to the bathroom twice to be texting Armani like, okay, we're gonna be outside in 10 minutes. Are you there? Okay, great. And I was like freaking out.
And he didn't even eat all of his pizza.
No, I wasn't hungry at all in the slightest bit. Like, it's one of those things, like, you know, I figured you would say yes, so like I wasn't so nervous about that. It was just really nerve-wracking. Like, I was a lot more nervous than I thought I was gonna be. And But it's a very different experience in the moment than when you like picture it like a year ago. I'd be like, oh yeah, I got that. That's gonna be cool. And then in the moment, I was like freaking out. I was having like a mental breakdown. I was putting the ring on her finger, and I was like, here. I was so nervous. So yeah, that's another thing that's kind of been preventing me from uploading videos recently. It's, you know, I have been off school, thankfully, for the last month, but I've been spending a lot of that time with family, with Julia. You know, it's a special time of year, so YouTube kind of takes the back burner in times like this. So now on to the second topic of today's video, and that is, Julia, what do you think about the Inferno Gatto?
Honestly, the Inferno Gatto has been my favorite car that you've had so far, aside from the Rowdy Ram.
See all you people that say she just likes you for your money and your cars. She doesn't even like the cars. And I don't have money. I financed this. You didn't really care for the Camaro.
Mm-hmm.
And you like the Scat Pack.
Yeah, I liked the Scat Pack. I mean, it was basically like... It was like a sedan.
Yeah.
It had lots of room.
Yeah. But now I have to ask, why do you like this better than the Scat Pack?
Well, I still wish you would have gotten a four-door.
A Charger.
But, yeah. But I mean, I like how the Challenger looks. And it's like, it's not like we have people in the back seat ever. And like, so the Camaro, there wasn't really much room in the front seat or the back seat.
It's a race car.
And it was kind of hard to get in and out of. But this car is like I feel like comfortable in it.
Well, everybody wants to know, what do you think about the seats? Seat expert.
Oh, these have been my favorite seats by far. They have I really like the color of them. They have the red suede.
Yeah.
And then they also have the leather trim around it. And the Camaro seats, like, they like confined you. And I really didn't have a lot of places to go. But these are like comfy and I can just like relax.
Yeah.
But they're like still snug.
So you like the seats, you like the styling.
Yeah.
But what do you think about the power? Do you like it?
Sometimes.
When? When have you ever liked that? Don't lie, just because there's a camera there. I know you don't like it.
I mean, it's okay sometimes.
When?
Well,
Let me know so I can do it in the future.
When you do it abruptly, I don't like it.
So if I warn you, it's okay?
If you warn me we're already going a little fast, then it's okay.
Oh, so you like doing high-speed rolls, but if we're doing a low...
Yeah, but if we're like going 20 and then you're like, haha!
Those are the fun ones.
No, those are not fun for me.
It's fun for me and fun for everyone else.
No, it's not.
Alright guys, just in, Julia only does 100 rolls. Anything slower than that, she's not a fan. So now looking forward to the future, what do you think my next car should be that replaces this car?
I know what you want it to be.
What?
It rhymes with sniper.
Viper?
Viper.
Oh yeah, those.
I think you should get a Grand Cherokee SRT.
The ultimate dad wagon?
Yes.
I'm gonna start popping out children before I get one of those. Well, you don't like flooring it, but do you like the sounds that it makes?
Not particularly.
Like that? What are you doing?
You're scaring me.
Why?
Because you're getting so close to this car and it sounds like gunshots back there.
We have Brimbos, we're fine.
I don't know, it sounds like your car is like braking when that happens. Like, not braking as in like the brake pedal, but like braking as in broken.
Nah, it's not a Ford. Woo! I'm sorry, Ford guys, that was uncalled for, my bad. I mean, personally, I think the gunshot feature is the coolest.
Gunshot feature?
Yeah, you pay extra for it. It's $100. Muffler delete. I love
would
it.
hate to be behind me right now. Jeez.
So now that you guys know all of that, you might be asking, so Riley, are you still going to get a project car? And the answer is yes. But until then, I need to recover some in my bank account because my current project car is right there. So, oh, project car, you look so sparkly. And for my younger guys out there, just a heads up, save your pennies because those suckers are expensive. Just saying.
But it's beautiful.
It is beautiful, and it was totally worth it. But still expensive.
Riley has been such a great sport. He's going to the Bridal Extravaganza show on Saturday.
No, I'm not. I am going to Cars and Coffee on Saturday. Thank you very much. Nice try.
It's after Cars and Coffee, though.
Oh, that's nap time.
You don't nap.
I will that day. So, Jules, I have to ask, is there anything about this car that has surprised you since I got it, whether it's good or bad?
It's a lot louder than I thought it was going to be.
I don't know what you're talking about.
But it does have more storage than I expected.
I love how your go-to is, we're gonna die. Okay, carry on. There's more storage than you thought?
More storage than I thought there was going to be, and it's more of a practical car. Like, we can put a lot of stuff in the trunk.
Yeah.
So that's nice. And we can actually put people in the back seat.
Yeah.
Did you tell them that you let me drive it?
I did let you drive it, and I'll have to let you drive it again for more than 10 minutes, and we'll have to do it on film. But I will have you guys know that I won't say the location where we were, but somebody was doing a bare minimum of 25 miles per hour over the speed limit everywhere we went in a 10-minute period. I don't know who and I don't know where, but I'm just saying. Said person's reaction was, wow, this is fun. But we'll have to get you in the car, you know, as if that wasn't you before.
Right.
And we'll have to get you to actually put your foot down and then it'll really scare you. Sounds like fun.
Mm-hmm.
Probably scared me too.
Riley! Okay, I didn't like it that time.
Man, you really don't like doing low speed rolls. Your big thing is if we lose any bit of traction, you hate that, right?
Yeah, that's dangerous.
No, it's not.
What if the road would have been wet or cold?
Then I wouldn't have done it. If you see a wet road, my first reaction's not, I should floor it.
I don't like that.
All right, guys. Well, I guess that pretty much sums up today's video. So hopefully you guys found it entertaining, and yeah, looking forward to, you know, being married to this one, and I'm sure we'll have many fun videos to come.
Yay.
Ain't that right?
That's right.
Would you like to close this video out?
Sure. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and like this video and comment below if you're feeling nice.
Nice, preferably, yeah.
We'll see you guys on the next one.
Take it easy. Woo! High five. Great success.